Business owners, are you looking for fresh ideas to monetize your business? Well, today, we're going to explore some creative strategies that can help you generate additional income streams. But before we get started, please help our growing channel out by liking this video right now. Now, let's discover those new avenues for monetizing your business. Strategy number 1, offer online courses or workshops. Leverage your expertise and knowledge by creating online courses or workshops related to your industry. You're good at what you do. Therefore, develop high-quality educational content that addresses your target audience's pain points and challenges. You can sell these courses as one-time purchases or offer them as a subscription-based service, providing ongoing value to your customers. And if you're really good at it, like they say you are, then you can anticipate returning customers, essentially generating customer loyalty and driving business demand. Just be sure to underpromise and overdeliver with your services and watch the additional business revenue begin to flow. Strategy number 2, launch a membership or subscription program. Create a membership or subscription program that provides exclusive benefits, resources, or content to your loyal customers. Offer premium access to valuable resources, discounts, early product releases, or personalized support. Business owners, this recurring revenue model can help stabilize your income and build a strong community around your brand. Come on, you can do it. Strategy number 3, develop and sell digital products. Consider creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, templates, stock photos, or graphic designs. These products can be easily distributed and have high profit margins. Identify the needs of your target audience and develop digital products that provide solutions or enhance their experiences. Strategy number 4, provide consulting or coaching services. If you have specialized knowledge or skills in your industry, offer consulting or coaching services to businesses or individuals because they are desperate to hear and learn from you, the expert. That's right, you've got it. Position yourself as a SME, a subject matter expert, and provide personalized guidance, strategic advice, or mentorship. Tailor your services to meet your client's specific needs and provide them with tangible value. Strategy number 5, explore affiliate marketing. Partner with other businesses or brands and become an affiliate marketer. Promote their products or services through your channels and earn a commission for each sale or referral you generate. The key is to choose products or services that align with your brand and resonate with your audience, ensuring a seamless integration into your content. Those are 5 creative ways to monetize your business. Leave us a comment below and let us know which strategy may work best for you. We took the time to do this video, and you took the time to watch, and we thank you for it. Now chop chop, get to it. Start racking up those secondary business streams of income. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video, coming soon, where we share with you 5 more ways to quickly generate even more revenue for your business. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video where we live, learn, and create.